Hello everyone, and welcome back to John and Mandy Go RVing.
NuCamp Tag is the trailer you want if you need something lightweight, easy to tow, and with plenty of room to sleep, but you want the living room to be in the great outdoors. The Tag is only 13 feet 7 inches long. You have two options, the Standard and the XL. The only difference with the XL is it's a foot wider than the Standard. Standard is 6 feet 8 inches, XL is 7 feet 8 inches. Both have a height of 6 foot 3 inches. Inside the trailer, you'll find a large queen-size bed, an air conditioner to keep you cool at night, and a few storage spaces, plus one large window for stargazing. Outside, you'll find a surprisingly luxurious kitchen. There's a side sink, a 2-burner stovetop, refrigerator, and plenty of counter space. You also have an 8-gallon freshwater tank. Now, let's take a closer look.
In the back hatch, you've got the galley kitchen, and it has all the conveniences you could want with the kitchen. The sink, a 2-burner stove, as well as a microwave. It also comes with a handy cooler, backpack OtterBox cooler, that you can take with you on your hikes, or you can just stow it in here and use it as your cooler with your unit.
Very nice.
When you step inside the unit, let me show you a couple of features with it.
Okay.
It is a queen bed, so like I said, it's perfect for those tent campers that no longer want a tent camp. You want to get off the ground with an easy setup. This unit also has a stargazer window, so you can lay in bed at night, look at the beautiful stars, enjoy the nature that you're in, and truly enjoy being out in the open. This unit comes standard with an AC unit as well as a heating system. It's a little ceramic heater that you can use to heat the unit. As you can see, it's not very big, so it doesn't take very long to heat it or cool it.
Right.
Don't you just love the look of a teardrop? The concern, though, is always functionality. Today, we're going to take a look at NuCamp Tab 400 Teardrop Camper, one of the largest teardrops in the industry. It weighs in at only 2,800 pounds, and it has a very small footprint of just 18 feet long. It comes equipped with a solar roof package. With solar, tires made for off-roading, and such a small, lightweight vehicle, this camper was made for boondocking, especially if you opt for a boondocking package. The fresh water tank will hold 22 gallons, and you have an 18-gallon gray tank and a 12-gallon black tank. You also have an outside shower. Since it's such a small space, NuCamp has done everything to give you storage, even in places you wouldn't expect it. In the kitchen, you have a double burner stovetop and a deep round sink. You have the option of either a 4.6 or a 2.3 cubic foot fridge. Underneath, you have a really good amount of storage. The wet bath is small, but it's functional. The basic model does not have heat or air conditioning, but if you opt for the convenience package, you can get both. So let's take a look at the NuCamp.
So starting with the outside here, we have a manual jack, and you have a propane tank up here and some storage. Coming around the outside here on the side, you have a couple outlets here. Storage, power cord, nice sized window there. Now let's step inside.
Oh wait,
Right here's a little compartment.
some storage
Some
here.
more storage up here on the door,
And then you've got a
and
night
this closes up for privacy.
shade.
And walking in here, you can have a couple different configurations. We'll show both of them. This one has the bunk set up. As you come in, there's a little bit of storage there. Nice window in the back. You got your bunks here. A little bit of sitting space. And we got the kitchen area. A little storage underneath here. Opens up on both sides. Sink with a cover. Stainless steel. 2-burner cook stove. And for storage, we have a nice silverware drawer on the top. Another drawer. Plenty of space if you want to get pots and pans in there. Here's your fuse box. Coming up to the top, we have another area for storage and a microwave here.
Small one.
Small one. And I don't think this one's convection.
No.
Just a regular microwave. Ventilation up above. Coming over to the bed area, you have a TV.
Queen size bed.
Queen size bed. Nice window up above. Practically a skylight. Now back here you do have a little cubby hole for storage. You have outlets and USB all in one. Couple lights here as well. You do have a little bit of storage underneath the bed. A drawer, and then over underneath here is also a little open space to use. Coming up we have another drawer. And then the fridge. Right up above we have the AM/FM radio center. Now let's not forget the bathroom. And here we have a wet bath. Now, Mandy and I aren't big fans of wet baths, but this one isn't bad. There's a sense of separation with the floor down here being 2 levels. Plus you do have a curtain that comes around at the top. Not a bad setup for a wet bath. Blind here for the bathroom for privacy. Plastic toilet. And that's about it for this unit. So we're going to go on this other one because it's the same model, but it's set up a little different inside. Instead of having your bunks here, you have a nice dinette set up. Okay. And everything else is the same. I mean, both of these are going to be the same. You have the option to do the bunks in both of these. Well, thanks for watching this video. And if you found it helpful, then please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks everyone, and take care.